Good afternoon, Washington State Picker here. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you guys some picks that I made yesterday. Let me get some out here. And these three are mine. And I've never filmed with a tripod, so please bear with me. Flip them over. And there we go. They all say, since these are mine, I put my nickname on them, Mad Dog. Zoom out a little bit. Anyway, they're all pretty standard picks. I did a short, medium, and long hook on those. Those three are mine. Made a total of 6. Made 3 for Bronx Lockpicker 60 as well, identical. And this is all high carbon steel. The manufacturer didn't get back to me as to what grade, but I'm assuming it's probably 1080, something like that. Not bad stuff. It was very hard to work. So when I go home to my house in Oregon next weekend, I'm going to definitely be cutting some to length, some pieces to length, and annealing them so that I can work them soft and then re-harden them and temper them. Go through all the thermal cycles that I do with a knife. Except I have a feeling I'm going to have to temper them back a little more, so you don't want the working hardness to be like that of a knife edge. Okay. And that's really about it for today. I'm getting ready to, I bought out a real estate company. Sorry, my phone just went wacko. I bought out a real estate company, their locks and such, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some of my ready-made security pins in them, because I'm feeling lazy. And here we go. I'm going to pin up sets, key them alike. I've got a key cutter now, and I make sure that they all work really well. And then I think I'm going to sell them on Craigslist, get rid of them. They're not really the type of locks I would send for a challenge lock, because they're, I don't know, I don't like the way they come apart and go back together. They're just not a good deal. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to start making more picks. Try to make them for myself mainly, but eventually I might sell a few of them. Anyway, guys, happy picking, stay safe, be happy. And thanks for watching.